Here we are for Christmas 2022. The end of November actually, but basically at the moment and that's not every satellite we've got up. There's on it. Sea of lights. There are more lights to be switched on at the moment, and there are more lights still to be set up. This is so far what we've got in the front. Train track is here. The end of 47 metres worth of train track. 7¼ inch. Trains are out the back. I haven't put on any of the solar lights yet. Camera's trying to focus in on this light. Bloody autofocus. There we go. Follow the train line. It's a battery set I haven't even got switched on at the moment. There's down the side. All these lights are on their default mode. And level shot looking up, so there's our angel. Side gate. Back out to the front yard. Now the battery set on. The autofocus. It took a while, but never mind. Never mind. Underneath this black plastic is one of my 2 rail cars. Across from there, rainbow smiley faces and lantern type of things. Both battery sets, those ones. A new set that we've got replaces the previous set we had here. There's the stars. Tunnel entrance this year. I've got the little access door open, but it doesn't matter. Pardon me. Coming into the tunnel, there's another set of lights I haven't got switched on. Battery set, which are there. Never mind. It's not quite Christmas yet. So the lights inside the tunnel. Got LED lights down here, the bottom which aren't switched on at the moment. Solar set. And Christmas village. Projected stars. Christmas trees. And my attempt at doing the northern lights, mind you, it's not the correct setting for these two to be on, or this set to be on. Coming out of the tunnel, there's my train, parked just before the station platform, because there's a train in front of it. And 2 inflatables this year. Pop up there, and a Melbourne tram. Another new set of lights that are on this gate. Multifunction. Now, with this, I'll move down here into the corner. To the top of Santa's hat, down here to the ground, is 3.3 metres. The tram in length is 4 metres, and the tram is 1.3 metres wide. So, needless to say, I'm not even up to the roof height of this damn tram. There's my rail car that I've been working on for the last 5 or more years. Well, since the end of 2016, nearly 2017. I've got the drive batteries on charge at the moment. Have had all day. There's our Christmas tree. We've got here at the back. And come up past into the line. There's a battery set I haven't got switched on at the moment. And there's our tram, reindeer hanging outside, and my rail car. I've got the lights on it at the moment. Bit of a quick video of what I've done just for the Christmas run. Yep, North Pole. These destination boards can be changed over to suit whichever railway I go to, and not only can I change it to a different railway, but whatever destination I want to put in there, I can put in there. Bloody trail bikers. So passengers ride up the centre there and I drive out the front. So the lights that are inside it This tram is powered by two computer style cooling fans which are located in behind the back wheels here. Looks like you got them off the nearest Toyota Land Cruiser or something like that. Could have even been off a Jeep, who knows. It's off a 4-drive. Those two. And this one's even got North Pole as its destination. And physically I'd probably send, my headline will be at the bottom where it says North Pole. So the tram is that much higher than I am. And yeah, sound is a lot taller. I moved the camo net this year to the other side. So the pop-up there looks fantastic where he is. And we'll look back at the outlet end of the tunnel. There's our Christmas village. There's another set of lights that I haven't put on. They're out. This is the view looking backwards along the train line. Looking at the front yard area, or towards that. So if we're coming backwards on the train, this is the view that we've got. There's a battery set I didn't have on earlier. It's looking towards the driveway. See the fence set in behind all that. I might take a drive through in my electric train, a rail car. And this will give you a general view.